Today I'm going to show you how to improve your Christmas family portraits by simple tips and tricks. And you can use this on a Micro Four Thirds system or a full frame system. So let's get into it. The images that you will see are produced in a home just using available light, much like you'll have in your own home. You can use artificial light if you want to, but for this demonstration, we're just going to use available light. This shows you when you've got other light sources in the room that you can use them, such as the fire or the Christmas tree or the garlands above the fireplace, and we can use those to create dramatic, beautiful pictures. With composition, make sure you run your eye around all four corners of the frame before you take it, and you'll see little imperfections, and you can move as well. Try having your subject to the side of the frame, and this makes the picture much more interesting and also brings in other elements within the room. When you haven't got a photographer around, obviously you need other means to take your photos, such as using the self timer on the camera or using the app, which you can trigger remotely and hide that behind yourself. Good posing can really improve your photographs. Just get your subject to sit up straight, pop those shoulders back, and your photos will go from good to great. One of the biggest tricks in photography and getting great images is taking those magic memories, those moments when people don't know their photos are being taken. So don't just take the photos of your family posed, take some photos of people interacting and those moments of people giggling, because those are the memories that will last forever. Thank you for watching, and get out there and enjoy your photography.
Panasonic. A better life, a better world.